I tried Vesper Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Vesper Wallet app, I thought it was just another flashy crypto wallet with a nice interface. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Vespr is quietly redefining what a social crypto experience can look like. From the start, Vespr felt different. It wasn't just about storing or sending coins, it was about interacting with crypto communities directly inside the app. The layout reminded me more of a social feed than a traditional wallet, showing trending assets, on-chain activities, and even user discussions. That's something you don't usually see in wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. On day 2, I tested its portfolio tracking. The analytics was surprisingly detailed. I could see real-time charts, historical trends, and even sentiment indicators pulled from the community. It gave me insights that exchanges normally charge for. By midweek, I explored Vespr's DeFi integrations. You can connect to decentralized apps right inside the wallet without ever switching platforms. Swapping tokens, staking, and viewing yield opportunities were all smooth and quick. But what really caught my attention was its social layer. You can follow wallets, view public transaction histories, and even comment on certain activities. It's like blending Twitter with blockchain, transparent, yet interactive. Now, there are some drawbacks. Because Vespr is still growing, its token support isn't as broad as other wallets and transaction fees can vary depending on the network. Still, the experience felt clean, secure, and refreshingly human. After 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. Vespr isn't trying to be just a wallet. It's trying to become the social hub for Web where finance meets conversation. If you ever wanted to truly see what others are doing in crypto and learn as you go, Vespr might be the future you didn't know you needed.